Hello friends, today we will talk about Mark Goat cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.00001 and its volume is around $1,81,000 and its blockchain is Binance Coin. It is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open its portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened. Its rank is 3106. Around 194 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is markgoat.finance and this is its price $0.0001 and BTC is 0.5% high and ETH is 0.89% high. Low price is 0 and high price is $0.00001. After that we will come down. And this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 51 billion Mark Goat coin. After that we will come down and this is its description. We can read it and its total supply is 1 lakh trillion Mark Goat coin. After that we will open its website and click on markgoat.finance. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like Goat Swap, NFT marketplace, buy token, charts. We can join on Telegram, Facebook, Twitter and other social media. Mark Goat Finance, greatest of all time. Meme, Elon, Goat, NFT, BSC and Safe. Charity, 1% of transaction go to the Binance charity wallet and burn 25% burn and 25% go to the Binance hot wallet. And community, incentivized to Goat holder and LP provider. Goat's idea, at its core cryptocurrencies are closely tied for fairness and ensure that power is taken from the hands of the few and back into the hands of many. We believe it is time for us to harness that power to help solve one of the problem the world is facing, the COVID-19 pandemic. 1% of transaction will be converted to BNB and transferred to Binance charity wallet, a non-profit that is supporting and providing a strategic plan towards recovery from COVID. Mark Goat is a deflationary cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain with charitable purposes that also combines NFT market production and automated liquidity protocol. Charity funds enter the Binance charity wallet with BNB, not with the project tokens. Automatic LP, every transaction contributes to automatic generation of logged liquidity. Automatic LP, every transaction contributes to automatic generation of logged liquidity inside PancakeSwap. Reflect, 1% fee directly distributed to the Mark Goat holders automatically. Official Mark Goat swap will be launched soon. Connect wallet and NFT marketplace, buy and sell NFT with low transaction fee on BSC. 9 Mark Goat Connect wallet, 10 Mark Goat Connect wallet and 25 Mark Goat. And token burn 25,000 trillion and tokens sent to Binance hot wallet 25,000 trillion. And fair loan supply is 50,000 trillion Mark Goat coin. Transaction fee 4%, 1% transaction go to the Mark Goat holders, 1% transaction will be converted to BNB and transferred to the Binance charity wallet, and 1% transaction will be converted to BNB and together with the remaining 1% go back to PancakeSwap liquidity. And this is its roadmap. Phase 1, create admin team, building website and social media channels, apply for BSC logo and listing sites CMC, CoinGecko Lightpaper. Phase 2, start burning process, market on token, fair launch, website update, beta of Goat Swap, NFT marketplace. Phase 3, launch of Mark Goat Swap, NFT marketplace, listing Mark Goat to centralized exchange, continuous improve Goat ecosystem. And FAQ, light paper and audit. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it, and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.